Guys, I spot already one big toys here. Wow, monster truck, guys. Oh la la. You can see this exhaust and very big wheel. Wow, this is monster truck, guys. Oh la la. Wait. Wow, wee. So dirty toys here, guys. Oh, so many toys. Okay, wait. We have to put the basket first, and then we have to clean all kind of the toys. Oops, I've got ready my collecting basket. Okay, let's collect all the toys here, and then we have to clean. Wow, so dirty, guys. Okay, collect to here. This one. Okay, and this one. Yeah, this one also. Okay, this look like truck. Okay, collect. This one more. So many, guys. We have collect first, and then we have to wash. Okay, and this one, this no need because this is not dirty, guys. Okay, yeah, I have prepared all dirty toys. You have to find the water. Yeah, I spot clean water here. Okay, let's go to clean the toys here. Okay, let's fix first this one. Yeah, guys. Okay, we have to clean. Ooh la la, damn truck, guys. Okay, collect here. Take another one. Okay, let's try to wash. Oh, this is school bus, green color. Okay, take another one. Wow, this is off-road car 4x4. Yeah, very good. Green with blue color and big wheel. Take another more. Wow, this is Brontosaurus, guys. Big body, long neck and long tail. Oh la la. Okay, collect there. Take another one. Yeah, motorbike with red color. Take another more. Yeah, green color. This is motocross. Take another one. Yeah, this is ATV, guys. Oh la la. Okay, take this one more. Yeah, HotWheels car, Land Rover Baja Almeza, off-road car, very strong car. Okay, collect there. Take, wow, this is the last one. What is this? Oh la la, fire rescue, fire truck or fire engine with red color, guys. Oh la la, we got so many toys here. We have to clean, and you can see now the water become brown and no more another toys here. Okay, we have cleaned all the toys, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe me. Bye bye.